Do you know what happens when the power goes out during the cold winter? Hell will totally get frozen over. Time to outage-proof your home. With the new Anker Solix F3800 and Home Power Panel, the most accessible home power system. It comes with high power output and dual voltage, seamlessly integrating with your grid and solar panels. It automatically switches to backup power upon detecting a power outage. Powers multiple appliances with no exceptions. Double up its power with ease. To power even the highest powered home devices. Power up even more. For weeks of full house power usage. For an uninterrupted life during any outage. Get the most accessible home power system.
Anker Solix. Live in power.